In this video, I'm going to show you how to group layers in Photopea. Open your Photopea project and locate the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. If you have multiple layers that you want to organize together, grouping them is the best solution. Start by selecting the first layer you want to include in the group. To select additional layers, hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac, and click on each layer you want to add. If you want to select a consecutive range of layers, click on the first layer, then hold the Shift key and click on the last layer in the range. This will select all layers in between automatically. Once your layers are selected, you can group them by clicking the folder icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. This will place all selected layers into a single folder, making them easier to manage. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac to group the selected layers quickly. After grouping, you can rename the folder by double-clicking on the folder name and entering a new name that helps you keep your project organized. You can still select and move individual layers within a group if needed. To move all layers together, ensure the parent folder is selected and drag it on the canvas. Make sure the auto-select option is disabled at the top of the screen to avoid accidentally selecting individual layers while moving the group. If you want to ungroup the layers later, press Ctrl+Shift+G on Windows or Command+Shift+G on Mac, and all layers will return to their original ungrouped state. And this is how you can group layers in Photopea.